overall it's not too bad. This one's a little off. Must have moved over somehow. Everything else is nice. First screw is in. Close. That's good. Alright, so now we are doing the coverings for the wall, for the windows. We're going to do 2 layers of this 3/4 inch Polizio and 2 layers of Reflectix, one on the outside, one on the inside. And if you can see here, these windows are not 90 degrees square. The way the windows work, they tilt forward and they don't tilt exactly the same, so each column is a little bit different. So for me to cut this, it's kind of a guess unless I do it this way. This is the edge of the window. I already put a mark down here with this, right, lining it up with the edge. So now that I have this in place, I'm just going to line it up there, line this up with our mark that I have, and line it up good there. And I'm just going to trace right here, and hopefully this will work. Almost a perfect fit. Got to trim a little bit over here, and that should be good to go. Morning. Another day. The sun's coming up. No rain forecast today, but it's kind of chill right now. I think it's like 21 degrees outside. We got the heater going on in here, and the goal for today is to get all these windows insulated. I got to cut the foam for all the windows, 2 layers of 3/4 like I was doing last night, and And then once it warms up a little bit more, I'm going to go outside. I'm going to cut the Reflectix 2 pieces, one for the outside, one for the inside. Yeah, but right now I got to cut everything. So I got 2 windows done. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 windows left. I better get to it. Now the day came to an end, and we are cutting it real close to the deadline. So I'm just finishing all these windows. I already glued, sandwiched 2 pieces of 3/4 together with Reflectix on the outside and inside. So I'm taping these edges so we don't have the foam fraying and coming loose. I have this one to finish, 2 little ones and a bigger one, and that's it. And today is pretty much it. Then I just gotta clean up in here, and then tomorrow work on a bed. But tomorrow's supposed to rain. I don't know what's going to happen, but so the goal is tomorrow try to work on a bed and maybe set the bench seat over here, and see how much we get done. This stuff is sharp like a knife. Look at that. I did my entire van. I never cut myself once. I don't know if this tape is different or if it's sharper. Look at that. Just sliced through my finger. Ow. I cut this one here. I cut this one. I cut this one. You just have to be extremely careful with this tape. Like, we don't have time for this. Come on. We don't have time for this. Sun's going down. I'm cold. My back hurts. Okay. Oh, the kid goes down. Alright. Alright. There's no camera there, okay. Alright.